Kamladev says to his mother, Devaki, Tasyame Brahmaya Astrimadya Jainodi Sangha Karoti Padakrantam Vidrummena Kevalam. Oh mother, see strength, power of Maya, illusory energy. The woman is the weapon of the illusory energy. See power of woman. Jakaroti Padakrantam Vidrummena Kevalam. Only by one glance, she can control a very powerful person. With one glance. भूविजृम्भेण केवल एक कटाक्षरे प्रदान करदेव अति पराक्रमशाली पुरुष को नारी पुरुष शक्ति अच्छी हाँ एक कटाक्षरे सी प्रबल पराक्रमशाली पुरुष होना कहीं ताको प्रदान करदेव डोंट लुक एट द फेस ऑफ ए वुमन नारी मुख गुटा दरकार अच्छी नारी सहित किसी दरकार अच्छी जहाँ कहला वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम कम समय भितर नेता संख्या छिड़ा even to look at her face, तार मुख गुटाए होना कम समय भितर तासन कथाबार्ता ହେଇକି କାମ ଛିଡି ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ ई कथा हमर बाजल छै and strict restriction is there. This is Vedic civilization. या होची वैदिक सभ्यता. Otherwise it will be animal civilization. ता नहले animal civilization पशु सभ्यता ହେଇଯିବ. एथिपाई श्रीमद भागवत ए संबंध बहु कथा कही दृष्ट स्त्रियम दैव मायम तद्भावेर जितेन्द्रिय प्रलोभित पतत्यन्हि तमस्य ग्नौ पतंगवत्. एक कथा श्रीमद भागवत 11 स्कंदरे जदुराज अवधूत संवाद रे अच्छी दुष्ट स्त्रियं देव मायं तद्भावे रजितेन्द्रिय प्रलोभित पतत्यन्हि तमस्यग्नौ पतंगवत्. अजितेन्द्रिय व्यक्ति स्त्री को देखा क्षणी निजर विलास बुद्धि रे प्रलोभित होय अग्निर तेज देखी पतंग धावित हेला परी से नरक पतित होई कष्ट भोग करे. एक कथा अछि आमर अजितेन्द्रिय व्यक्ति. A man who has not controlled his senses, man with uncontrolled senses, it looks at a woman, immediately is attracted towards her, thinks herself as an object of enjoyment. Pralobhita patadinde tamasyagnau patangavat. As an insect is naturally attracted towards a blazing fire, and as soon as touches and mixes with the fire, comes to the fire, is burnt, finished. Similarly, the woman is compared to the fireball. It's fire. If a person with unrestricted senses freely mixes with such a woman, with a woman compared with a fireball, must be finished like an insect. Padanga dhavita narkari patta must go to hell. जो सिद्धि रन्या भरणम वरादि द्रव्येषु माया रचितेषु मूढ़ प्रलोभितात्मा ह्युपभोग बुद्ध्या पतंगवन्नस्यति नष्ट दृष्टि. अविवेकी पुरुष ମାୟା ରଚିତ କାମିନୀ କାଞ୍ଚନ ବସନ ଭୂଷଣ ଆଦି ବସ୍ତୁକୁ ଭୋଗ କରିବା ଲାଗି ପ୍ରଭୀତ ହୋଇ ଜ୍ଞାନ ହରାଇ ପଦଙ୍ଗ ପରି ବିନଷ୍ଟ with a ignorant fool was lost his own conscience, you see. अविवेकी पुरुष, he is attracted towards women, kanchan, gold, ornaments, thinks that those things are to be enjoyed. So he finishes himself as an insect comes in touch with fire. Padapi jubatim vikyurna spruset darbimopi पुरुषम करीब बद्धीत करिन्या अंग संगतः मुनि काठर स्त्री मूर्ति देखिले मध्य ताहाकु पादरे सुद्धा स्पर्श करिवे ना जेहेतु स्त्री मूर्ति स्पर्श द्वारा ताहार अंग संग लागी हस्तिनी प्रति प्रलोभित हस्ती परि विषय गर्भरे पतित बद्ध होई जिवे तदापि युवतीं भिक्षुर्न स्पृशति दार्भिम पुरुषं करीब बद्धीत करिन्यांग संगतः. A sannyasi, a person in renounced of life, a jati, muni, shouldn't even touch a woman made of wood, you see. In the bazaar, one may find such woman form. In so cases, the persons were there selling nice clothes. They have put such women made of wood. They have nice sari. You see, attracting also. One should not look at it. He says, even if Muni, a jati, a sannyasi, shouldn't touch such a woman made of wood. Should not touch with his feet also. Sprusan kariba badhyet karinyang vasungata. An elephant, a male elephant, touches a female elephant, is immediately trapped. Similarly, a muni, a jati, a sannyasi, a renowned man, renowned sort of life shouldn't even touch such a wooden woman with his feet. We will be trapped. Nadigaccha striyam prajna karichin mrittumatmanaha balaadhikyai sahannir gajair annir gajojatha. বিবেকী পুরুষ কেবে হলে মৃত্যুতুল্য নারীর সংসর্গ প্রার্থনা করিবে না যেহেতু বলবান হস্তির দ্বারা অন্য স্ত্রী সঙ্গী হস্তি বন্ধন হয় সেইপরি জ্ঞানী পুরুষ স্ত্রী সঙ্গবশত ଅନ୍ୟ ଯାର ପୁରୁଷ ଦ୍ୱାରା ହତ ହେଇଥାଏ ହାତୀ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଧରନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଏଇ ନୀତିଟାକୁ ପ୍ରୟୋଗ କରନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ନାରୀ ହସ୍ତିକୁ ରଖିଥାନ୍ତି ଖେଦା ଭିତରେ ପୁରେଇଥାନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ଗୋଟେ ବଳବାନ ହସ୍ତି ତାକୁ ଦେଖି ଆଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟ ହେଇକି ତା ଭିତରେ ପଡେ ତାକୁ ଧରନ୍ତି ବିବେକ ପୁରୁଷ କେବେ ହେଲେ ମୃତ୍ୟୁତୁଲ୍ୟ ନାର ଶୋଷ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରେ ଯେହେତୁ ବଳବାନ ହସ୍ତି ଦ୍ୱାରା ଅନ୍ୟ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ସଙ୍ଗୀ ହସ୍ତି ବନ୍ଧନ হয় সেইপরি জ্ঞানী পুরুষ স্ত্রী সঙ্গবশত অন্য যার পুরুষ দ্বারা হত ହେଇଥାଏ. If someone wants to trap a elephant, he gives a sea elephant and a big ditch. So a very powerful elephant, he elephant is attracted towards that elephant and was put into that ditch and trapped. Similarly, Viveki Purus, Jnani Lok, a learned person, should not associate with a woman who opens the gate towards hell. Mritutulya nara sunsu is like death. Jnani Purus Stri Sangavastanya jar Purus dara hoto hoita hai. If will associate, if a man of knowledge, Pandit, associates with a woman, she is like Death must be killed, with Parama. It's Parama.